Production in action.
Run it all. North Korea sending out SOS as it admits unnamed disease is spread to 350k people. What? You can think of what happened in Wuhan when it first broke out, when no one had been infected before, but what's spreading in North Korea that now has 5 to 6 times more transmissible than the one in Wuhan. Sounds not believable, honestly. Seems like bullshit. But if there comes a killing disease, it's probably North Korea. Out of North Korea. There's no separation of church and state on the Supreme Court. Don't care about Kokona. It's too cute, I can't concentrate. Genia! My waifu! When are you coming to the major? You can stay at my place if you want. Group of drunks try to steal my valuables at the night out. I have a wedding tomorrow. Makeup can fix this, right? He even stole his mustache. The kids at the high school reached their goal at Cupid Shuffle, Money Race, and they want to see their coach dressed as an emo. He pulled through and slayed it. Nice. Today I learned Samuel Upham, don't know who that is, a Philadelphia merchant who printed over 50 million converted dollars. 62. The fake knows widely circulating south. When investigated by the US government, his case was dismissed as it's not illegal to counterfeit currency of a country not recognized by the US. Okay. I'm currently working construction at new Amazon fulfillment center. Okay. What's going on? Oh, please stop.
Did you see all that?
How can you be this skinny? Is there anything special to this guy? You try to put grandma in home and she'll put you in the hospital. Obsessed with this photo of my grandma with her weightlifting class from a few years ago. Finally a Facebook memory shows something good. Grandma. She got it. She has got turbo over 13 months. This reaction was priceless. Stop praying. This could be us, but you keep praying. He was trying to help him clean.
God.
I do gun sign. Do you see that? This guy's about, as you can tell. I also have a cross. I have a cross while doing gun signs. You don't mess with me.
You are a true hero for taking care of mentally challenged people and only charging $25 a month. Stringing.
Right, Q. Thank you. True, an old man's sin. Thank you. Life begins when the SSA social issues a social security number to the fetus. No more abortion, please. This dog wave goodbye to people leaving the store. Imagine getting a cat over a dog. The white shot of Pluto's mountain and the frozen plains of hell. Pog! Space exploration. Oh wait, it's just dead rocks everywhere. Just dead rocks everywhere. It's weird it's not a pyramid scheme. Okay. Choreo with a camera in their mouth. Wow. Very cool. Any form of violence towards you will be amplified and repeated. If a man slaps you once, he will slap you again. Be sincere. Would you call off your wedding because of one slap though? No slapping women. Slap men. It's okay though. Look at this snack. Damn, who took a bite? Quick thinking and preparedness of the people in the grey car. Oh shit. Dude, roll. Roll! Oh shit, he's got a little mini thingy. Wait, what even happened? How does that even happen? He didn't even hit anyone. But how can it just... Was it broken or did it crash? Like he just slided. How does this even put him fired? To make it baby proof.
So this cool little bolt.
That must be a bad design if you're just sliding for 1 second, crashes the tank and put it on fire.
Today, it's completely baby proof. Does not come off no matter how hard you pull it. Got some great suction action. So let's give it a shot.
Anti-work. This is slavery. What do you got now? Yo, why did no one tell me tell me Elon had his Tesla workers in China forced to work 12-hour shifts 6 days a week, and they had to sleep at the factory and couldn't leave? Bro, that's not a job. That's prison. Bro, yo, bro, yo, bro, yo. This is one of the many reasons why we will not stop fighting for women's rights. True. Too much text and not that of an important issue for me to care. Ray for Gare. Ray's kinda cute. Pepper Scoots. Amazon Tan Kit. Someone tan kit.
You will be feared.
Wow, 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 wow.
Ah, fucking click the button, man!
I clicked!
No one saw nothing.
Nice one. Hoodwink Sister and Redtail. Too much text, sorry. Top of look at the top of his head. Nice Photoshop. Giga Chad Holy. Real life fat bulldog. No, I don't think so.
What, although
Win 20 for each right answer.
wrong, do people often call the nether? What, although wrong, do people often call the Netherlands?
Holland.
Where are the Spanish Steps located?
In Rome.
What is the name of the cape that sits at the tip of Africa?
Cape of Good Hope.
What type of leaf is on the Canadian flag?
A maple leaf.
And what season does Australia experience in December?
Summer.
That is absolutely correct. That is 100
It's
euros.
$100. You could go on forever.
We can do one more thing. Double or nothing.
Double or nothing.
You doing it?
Yeah, it's geography.
All right. Name 3 countries that start with the letter F.
Finland. France.
That is right. And the last one? It is above New Zealand.
Fiji.
It's
Yeah.
Fiji, yeah.
Above New Zealand is the sky. It's north of New Zealand, you mean? No, it's Fiji. It's Fiji. That's what my old geography teacher always told me.
It's 500 euro. What, although wrong,
let's see. You're given gifts. You choose to either keep them. Okay, get your minds ready. You choose to either keep your gifts or give them to someone in need.
Honey, what's your first choice?
A new car.
That's great. Are you gonna take it?
No, my car's fine. There's somebody else who needs it.
Wow. Now this, you can do a good story with this. I'm sure she's gonna do a clever part.
Giselle, oh my goodness, you can get a house. You have to choose yourself.
Well, I mean, I still live with my parents, so I'm fine. There's somebody out there who really needs a place to stay.
Wow, you said it so nice.
Giselle, your choices.
$20,000?
Come on, girl, you have to take it.
I don't need that much money.
Are you crazy? You just passed up $20,000. Hey, Giselle, me and my friends are going to Cabo on holiday. Do you want to come?
Yeah, I would love to. But I don't have the money for that.
Oh, that's right. I told you had to choose yourself.
Okay, so now comes a twist where, like, you do something nice and you get something nice in return. There we go.
Maybe it was stupid to give it all away.
Excuse me, are you Giselle? We received all your gifts and we want to repay you.
What?
Wow.
So, honey, what's your...
Okay, pretty poorly executed, but good message. Good message.